Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to mark custom locations on the map in Heartopia. So with this ways, tracking between places becomes much easier. Like sometimes when moving from one location to another, the track feature is really useful, but to use it you need a destination point. And then the problem is not all locations are automatically marked on the map. So here's how to create your own custom marker. For example, let's say you want to easily track to this island, for example, jump puzzle island, this one. So just tap and hold on the area of the island on the map, for example, like this. Tap and hold like this, and then next you can just give it any name that you want, any name or descriptions to the locations marker. Your like for example, I will for example like this, and then checklist, and then next you can also choose the color that you want, like for example like this, and then select the icon that to match your descriptions or the name, for example like this, and then when you're done just simply tap on save like this. And now whenever you want to go back to this place, just tap the marker like this, and then next just select track like this, and your and the icon will be appears like this. It will automatically guide you straight to that locations. And okay, maybe that's it. This tricks makes traveling and tracking in your Heartopia way more convenient. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.